Please do not smoke in the terminal building. Smoking is only permitted in the specified smoking area. Thank you.
Ma'am, please empty your pockets. Please remove any metal objects from your body. Beep, beep, beep.
Voice mo ba yun? Ba't nag-alarm?
Ma'am, kailangan niyo pong tanggalin yung jacket niyo.
Are you serious?
Ma'am, kailangan po natin sumunod sa rules.
Unbelievable. What now?
Ma'am, I'm sorry pero kailangan niyo po magtanggal ng dress po.
Are you freaking serious? Pati itong dress?
Ma'am, we are very serious in keeping the airport safe. So, kailangan niyo na pong tanggalin ang dress niyo.
This is crazy.
Oh, okay ka na.
Hindi, sandali. Kasi tumunog kasi. Hindi ko ba lang ba ako i-check?
Okay ka na. Oh, ayan, oh. Sige na. Sige na. Okay ka na. Nga.
Bakit yung guy hindi nyo chinek?
Ma'am, you need to remove your dress.
Ma'am, ayaw niyo malate sa flight niyo.
Fine.
Clear na po tayo, ma'am.
Have a safe flight.
Ma'am, please empty your pockets.
At tanggalin ang jacket.
Beep, 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 beep.